Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Mrs. Diva. Welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Diva and YouTube channel of Mrs. Diva. I have with me very beautiful and very pretty faces. You know them as registered members of Mrs. Diva. Before we start this meeting, so let me just tell you that this live is with a bit of a twist. So I have the registered members with me today, and this is probably the first time that we are we keep on conducting the this registered members meeting within ourselves, and today we thought that let's do it with all of you. So सबके साथ मीटिंग करने में जो मजा है वो आपस में मीटिंग करने में मजा नहीं आता है, एंड वी थॉट कि एक ही इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है, एंड आप सबके साथ हमने सोचा कि ये इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो हो जाए. फटाफट से ज्वाइन करते जाओ, and let me also share this live in the group and keep sharing it guys, and keep tagging everybody. I will keep on batch number 1. So because we are a lot of members, you all know Mrs. Ziva में काफी सारे registered members हैं, and we are very thankful to all of you for that. So we thought कि सबको एक साथ squeezing करने से अच्छा है इसको batches में करते हैं. So batch number 1 के members हमारे साथ हैं, and I'm seeing कि live में काफी सारे जो members हैं हमारे साथ जुड़ भी रहे हैं. सो हाय साक्षी हमारे साथ लाइव में भी है और कमेंट भी कर रही है. हाय कविता लाइव में भी है और कमेंट भी कर रही है. हाय सारिका, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग इन. हाय शिल्की, हाय जुमाना, थैंक यू. हाय कावेरी, हाय नेहा, हाय जुमाना. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, सो अब धीरे धीरे मैं आपको बताती रहूंगी कि आज हमारे साथ कौन कौन मेंबर्स हैं. वैसे तो आप इन सबको देख ही रहे हो और जानते ही हो. डॉक्टर शताब्दी हैं, कविता हैं, मुनाज हैं, पूजा जादव हैं, प्रियंका मिगलानी हैं, जो कि आपको दिखा रही हैं कि वो शिमला से ज्वाइन कर रही हैं हमें. ब्यूटीफुल सी प्रिटी सीनरी दिखा रही है वो. साक्षी चुग है हमारे साथ, निधि दीवान है हमारे साथ. मसालों ने धूम मचा रखी है, केक के प्रीमिक्सेस ने धूम मचा रखी है. और ओके, लगता है पूजा जुनेजा भी ज्वाइन कर रही हैं. और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही प्रिटी दीप्ति शेट्टी भी हमारे साथ है. बेली डांसिंग की वीडियोस हम देख रहे हैं आजकल ग्रुप में. उसके साथ साथ मुबीना ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है. मुबीना का जो काम है, बीड्स का जो वर्क है, वो तो अगेन ऑफ कोर्स कौन नहीं जानता. मिसेस दीवा में बिल्कुल एवरीबडी फैन हो गए हैं इनके हम लोग. उसके बाद साथ में स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है सुरभि. तो सुरभि जी तो बैकबोन ही है हमारी, बिल्कुल इनके बगैर काम नहीं चलता हमारा. फिर हमारे साथ है मालती. ऑफ कोर्स मालती जी तो मैंने काफी लंबा सा चिट्ठा लिखा था इनके लिए. इनके बगैर तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हम. देन वी ऑफ कोर्स हैव वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी प्रिटी जेबा. उसके बाद हमारी अपनी चुलबुली सी श्रेया, एंड फिर हमारी बेकिंग क्वीन पूजा. एंड धीरे धीरे जैसे सबका इंट्रोडक्शन एक एक करके इनका सबका इंट्रोडक्शन हम लोग लेंगे ही. इसके पहले मैं कुछ अनाउंसमेंट्स, मैंने कहा था हम एक्साइटिंग से अनाउंसमेंट्स हम लोग करेंगे, तो वो उससे शुरुआत हम लोग पहले करते हैं. हाय दीपा, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. गाइस टैग करते रहो. हाय मनीषा, लवली टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, कीप टैगिंग एवरीबडी, जिसको जिसको भी आप लोग टैग कर सको. हाय अर्पिता, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. ओके, तो सबसे पहले मैं अपना इंट्रो दे देती हूँ. आप लोग पूछोगे कि सबका इंट्रो तो दे दिया, अपने आप बारे में भी तो बता दो. आप कौन हो, इतना बोले जा रहे हो. अपने बारे में पहले बता दो. So guys, my name is Astha Jain, and I'm the founder of Mrs. Diva. I'm a business coach for women entrepreneurs, and I'm also a work from home expert. So basically, I've been helping women entrepreneurs grow their business, make it more profitable, scalable, and sustainable. A lot of women you see in Mrs. Diva group, they are being coached and mentored by me. मेरे से ही वो coaching और mentor, मैं उनको mentor भी करती हूँ और मेरे से ही कोचिंग वो ले रही हैं. आप मेरे काम के बारे में जो रिव्यूज है वो हमारे ऑफिशियल मिसेस दीवा फेसबुक पेज पे आप पढ़ सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. मैं पोस्ट करती रहती हूँ. उसके बाद मिसेस दीवा जो ग्रुप है, जो फेसबुक ग्रुप है बेसिकली, वो वहां पे आप विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और जो कुछ ऐसी लेडीज जो कुछ नहीं भी कर रही है, आप उनको भी देखेंगे और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को भी देखेंगे। बेसिकली ये एक कम्युनिटी है जो हम बना रहे हैं, जहाँ पे आपको ऑफ कोर्स सेलर्स तो मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आपको मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे, बायर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे डेफिनेटली। And we are trying to create a community which is basically a support system किस तरह से आपको, of course selling and buying definitely is there, but then उसके साथ साथ as women we are trying to help each other, uplift each other, एक दूसरे की हेल्प करने की हम कोशिश करते हैं, सपोर्ट हम एक दूसरे को करते हैं, विच इज दी नंबर वन प्रिंसिपल जिसपे मिसेस दीवा बेस्ड है। मिसेस दीवा जब स्टार्ट हुआ था, कंसेप्चुअलाइज में कर रही थी, एक आइडिया दिमाग में यही था कि विमेन के लिए फेमस होता है कि एक जो औरत है वो औरत को सपोर्ट नहीं करती है, और इसी सोच को हम बदलना चाहते थे, और ये सोच हम बदल चुके हैं। मैं बहुत प्राउडली ये चीज कहती हूँ, ये सारे जो आज आप स्क्रीन पे जिनको देख रहे हो, और वो सारे जो आज जो मुझे स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, उन सब को मिला के, उन सब ने मिल के ये सोच बदल दी है। मुझे थम्स अप देना अगर मेरे को आप ये समझते हो और ये इस पे यकीन करते हो कि हम सब ने मिलके ये सोच बदल दी है कि एक औरत दूसरी औरत को सपोर्ट नहीं करती। हम बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं और हम ये चीज करते हैं, और इस चीज का प्रूफ है मिसेस दीवा कि आप लोग ये चीज करते हो और हम ये करते हैं। बिल्कुल एक विमेन दूसरी विमेन को सपोर्ट जरूर करती है और करती रहेगी। और ये थम्स अप मुझे कमेंट्स में भी आने स्टार्ट हो गए। सबसे पहले सारिका का आया है सारिका भी बिल्कुल करती है, नेहा 100% करती है, विभा डेफिनेटली, गाइस आप लोग सब करते हो। और अब आगे से मैं ये नहीं सुनूंगी, ना ही ये कोई और कहेगा ये बात दैट विमेन डू नॉट सपोर्ट ईच अदर। विमेन डेफिनेटली, एंड विमेन एक नारी शक्ति सबसे बड़ी सपोर्ट है एक दूसरे के लिए, और हम एक दूसरे को करते हैं, करते रहेंगे, आगे भी करेंगे। एक दिन, 2 दिन, 1 साल, 2 साल का ये सपना नहीं था जो हमने देखा था, ये लाइफ लॉन्ग है और ये आगे भी चलेगा। Okay, great, and I'm very very thankful to each one of you for helping me in this and for helping me realize this dream. All right, so I have one good news for all of you today. Aaj I think Poonam has not yet joined, but aaj Tathastu ne 1 year complete kar liya hai, and Poonam Tathastu Holistic by Poonam Upadhyay hamari hi group ki member hai, so happy birthday to Tathastu. This is of course I think वो भी कुछ announcements करेंगी, so I just wanted to wish her, and of course आज का जो session है वो dedicate हम कर रहे हैं introduction by all the members. Then of course announcements मैं gradually करूंगी. It is just that a lot of people ask me that what are the group rules क्या है, मिसेस दीवा में आने का रूल क्या है। मिसेस दीवा का गाइस सिर्फ एक ही रूल है, सपोर्ट ईच अदर, दैट्स इट। प्रोफेशनल हम लोग बिहेव करते हैं, आगे भी करेंगे, हमेशा करेंगे, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सपोर्ट ईच अदर, दैट्स इट। सिर्फ यही एक रूल हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं, आगे भी फॉलो करेंगे। वी स्टे प्रोफेशनल एंड वी जस्ट सपोर्ट ईच अदर, दैट्स इट। इसके अलावा हम कोई इफ्स एंड बट्स कुछ नहीं लगाते हैं। जो ऑफ कोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म के डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ हर जगह कम्युनिटी के रूल्स होते हैं, वो डेफिनेटली हम लोग फॉलो हर जगह करते हैं। सो आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ पूनम इज वॉचिंग और नॉट, बट पूनम विशेस हैव स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन, सो वो आप डेफिनेटली पढ़ लेना बट यस डेफिनेटली, सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस पूनम। ऑल राइट, सो बिफोर वी मूव अहेड थोड़े से इंट्रोडक्शंस लेना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, उसके बाद मैं अनाउंसमेंट्स करूंगी। बहुत एक्साइटिंग से अनाउंसमेंट्स है मेरे पास आज। So because Priyanka is getting late, guys, Priyanka is joining this from Shimla. So ये शिमला में है अभी, and she is getting late. She has a big group there, travel group है इनके पास वहाँ। So हम सबसे पहला introduction जो है वो प्रियंका से ले लेते हैं। Priyanka, can you please unmute yourself and
Hello, hi everyone. So I am here in Shimla right now, and as you, some of you would know that I am the founder of Birdie, and under Birdie we promote homestays, farm stays, and off-beat places. So I'll just show you. I won't take much time. I'll just show you where I am and what kind of places I promote. so you all have an idea that what I do. So I'll just rotate my cam and around. So yeah. So this is the place. This is around 30 kilometers from Shimla and 15 kilometers from Kufri. I am in a small village called Rohalti, and I am staying at in a campsite where there are tents and there are mud houses. So these are the mud houses, and these are the tents, and I'll show you the view from this place. Today it's cloudy, it is windy, it is very cold right now. I'm standing outside. I can't move much because there are network issues today. So this is the view from the property, and you can see that it is very cloudy, and I don't think so it will be a great sunset view today as it was yesterday when I went live in the group. So I have a group staying here, so you'll find a lot of people around. And I have in my hand, this is Zododendron. हिंदी में से बुरांश का फूल भी बोलते हैं, और ये महीने में पूरे साल में सिर्फ 1-2 महीने ही होता है. तो आई कुड फाइंड दिस, इसलिए मैं ये लाइव में ले आई हूँ दिखाने के लिए कि ये बुरांश का फूल है. This is it from my side, guys. I'm sorry, I am actually getting late and I'm also freezing outside. I'll take your leave and I'll catch you guys later, maybe tomorrow or day after. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Priyanka. Both Sakshi and I are feeling so jealous right now. We were supposed to be there with her today.
I'm sorry. I'll just leave also. I'll leave
Sure.
from Zoom also.
Sure, no
Thank you
issues,
so much. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Priyanka. So guys, this is Priyanka Miglani, founder of Birdie and Pishvi. So don't get confused. Priyanka Miglani is the founder of two ventures, Birdie and Pishvi, both. So guys, let's take the next intro from Malti Vaswani from Mumbai.
Hi everyone. This is Malti here. I am from Mumbai and I'm an astronumerologist, tarot reader, Reiki healer, sound and crystal healer too. So I got into this profession with the only idea is to help people. Many times we are in such a situation when we don't know why that's happening. मेरे साथ क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? I try and find the answers for them and make them understand that acceptance is the part of the process. Then only you can change. So I'm trying to change people's, get people's life better with this little small modalities that I can, and guide them. देखो, I always say मेरा एक ही point है, जो होना है वो होगा, उसको हम change नहीं कर सकते, हम उसको better कर सकते हैं. We can just make our lives better. So I try and make people's life little better with my expertise that I have, little that I have, and go about bringing a little small change in people's life.
Thank you so much, Malti. Malti is everybody's favorite. Everybody knows Malti, and already messages, Malti, I think आप देखोगे तो messages आपको दिख जाएंगे. Malti ji is my favorite. Hello, Malti ma'am. You'll read it. You'll read it. Hi, Sheetal. Yes. Kaveri is saying that yes, Kaveri, Buransh ka juice is very, very healthy. Great. So thank you so much, Malti, and everybody has loved the goodies that you have sent in the goodie bag for them, and that includes
that I could do for all the people. I mean, Mrs. U has given me so much of love and everything that I felt that probably it's the time that I can just show a little token of appreciation for all of you out there.
Thank you so much. Great. Okay, now how about we take the next introduction from our newcomer, Deepthi Shetty.
Hi everybody. I'm absolutely new to the group.
Yes.
And I'm really delighted to be a part of this group because there's so much positivity, and like Asta mentioned in the beginning of the live, that it's so important to support each other, especially women, because I've heard this all my life that women can't be friends, women can't support each other. And I think, like she said, all of us here are changing that fact. I'm a belly dancer. I co-run a company called Talentismo with my partner Anusha, and we're a Bangalore-based dance company. Although I live in Delhi now because my husband's from Delhi, but I'm a Bangalorean. I've been in Bangalore all my life. It's still a company that's based out of Bangalore, although now everything is online and everything is gone digital. And it's amazing that we're able to open out a platform to so many women, not just in our country, but also across the globe. What we teach is primarily belly dance. You must have seen a couple of my videos on the group. I hope to share more in the future. And we also teach semi-classical Bollywood, because all of us are trained in classical forms too. And what we do is basically a combination of belly dance, which we absolutely love, and other dance forms. So we do a fusion of belly dance, and that's what we teach. We do all things dance. I run a company with all women, and it's a 12-year-old women, and we're a team of 8 women. We do everything by ourselves, right from marketing to dancing to teaching. So you name it, and everything is done in-house. We don't really outsource anything at all, and I'm really proud about that fact. So yeah, I'm really excited to be a part of the group, and I'm looking forward to so many more collaborations and to knowing all of you a lot more better.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Deepti, and we are really, really glad to have you on board now. And okay, before we move ahead, how about I make one announcement? So, guys, you know that I had been, looking for moderators for the group, and I finally found 2 moderators, and I wanted to announce the name in the in the session today, and one of them is present today. I don't think the second one is able to attend the session today because she had to, of course, she had some urgent work. So let me announce the name. Can you guys guess? Can you guys take a guess? Socho, kaun hoga? Socho. Bolo.
Surbhi.
Bolo. Give me the names.
Shreya.
Give me the names.
Is it Malti?
Hi Isha, how are you doing? Thank you for joining.
Mubina? Is it Malti?
नहीं मालती जी अरे कितना काम कराओगे उनसे?
Shruti. I think Shruti must be there. Shruti.
नहीं
Mubina.
Kunal.
Then it's difficult to guess now.
No, we have got the correct answer from
Priyanka.
the audience. The correct answer has come from Shilki. The correct answer is Kavita. So Kavita Bhutani is the correct
Kavita
answer.
Bhutani. Oh, that's great.
Which is here. The first correct answer we have got.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Kavita.
Thank you, Asta.
Congrats,
Thank you so much.
Kavita.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Congratulations, Kavita ji.
Thank you, Ji.
So we have 2 people. We have 2 moderators, guys. So you can still guess the name of the second one. So दूसरे का नाम guess कर लो. Sorry?
Smriti Olga Khatri.
नहीं, not Smriti. Guess करो. You can also write.
Is it Surbhi?
Subhana.
Shikha Gupta.
नहीं, no.
Is it Surbhi?
No.
एक hint दीजिए.
Rakhi has joined the live.
Okay, Rakhi is the moderator then.
Yes.
What a guess.
That was a smart move, Kavita ma'am.
So congratulations. Rakhi
That's
also.
great to know.
Timing
That's
गलत
great
हो
to
गई.
So
That's great to know about both of
Rakhi
you.
and Kavita both. So Mrs. Siva has now 2 moderators, Kavita Bhutani and Rakhi Jain. We congratulate both of them. So we'll be making formal announcements shortly after the live session.
Live. Okay.
Okay. So let's move ahead. So next जो हमारा introduction है वो कविता से ही ले लेते हैं.
Thank you so much, Asta. Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is Kavita Bhutani. I'm a fashion creator and owner and founder of Elegance Collection by Kavita. I have a premium collection of silver jewelry, imitation jewelry, and um, everything. Matlab, jo aap, you name it, and I have it. So I am into women's apparel and home decor items also. Basically, everything what a woman needs for her. आई मीन जो उसको चाहिए मतलब अपने आप को हमेशा ब्यूटीफुल दिखाने के लिए वो सब कुछ है मेरे पास यू कैन फाइंड माय पेज बाय द नेम ऑफ एलिगेंस and I'm so grateful to Astha for bringing me in this group, and I'm learning a lot from her. And now being a moderator also, I think I'll have a very big opportunity to learn so many more things from her. And I'm very glad to be a part of this group and being friends with you, so many lovely people जिनको हम मिले भी अभी आधों को मिल चुके हैं बाकियों को मिलने के लिए we'll definitely plan another beat. So thank you, Asta. Thank you so much for bringing me in here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kavita. Thank you very much. Okay, great. So so guys, this is Kavita Bhutani, and thank you so much for this beautiful intro. Okay, let me just admit Manaz. Great, guys. So I will make that one last announcement. I'm still holding on to that. बहुत ही exciting वाला है. मैंने छोटा सा hint छोड़ा था group में yesterday for Delhi NCR people. So छोटा सा hint था वो group में, and वो मैं अभी hold करूंगी. थोड़ी देर में बताते हैं उसके बारे में क्या है वो. बहुत exciting सा है. एंड सो नेक्स्ट वाला जो इंट्रो है वो ले लेते हैं निधि से. निधि दीवान.
Hi everyone. Hello Astha.
Hi Nidhi.
First of all, thank you so much for giving us this platform. Really, इस group में आके ऐसे लगता है कि we know each and everyone. Myself, Nidhi Diwan, I am from Delhi. And I'm running my two ventures simultaneously. One is by the name of Katie's Creation, and I do ladies dress materials, home furnishing, and imitation jewelry under that brand. And the other one is my new startup, that is Saas Bahu Venture. You all have met with my Saas, and Bahu is there only. So हम सास बहू जोड़ी को इस ग्रुप से बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यार मिला है. एंड मम्मी तो बहुत मिस करती हैं कि नेक्स्ट लाइव कब जाना है, लेट मी नो. मैंने कहा यस, वी विल प्लान अनदर लाइव. So we are manufacturing homemade masalas and cake premixes, and we are keep on adding many things like अभी हमने recently add करा आमला candies, and I'm getting मतलब बहुत ज्यादा उसका मुझे अच्छा response आ रहा है. And जैसे कविता जी ने कहा कि you ask and we can give you, ऐसे ही मसालों में आपको जो चाहिए you can ask and we can give you. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much निधि. और आंटी तो मतलब वो इंडिया वाली दादी माँ है हमारी. एंड वी एक्चुअली वो ये हमारा प्रिविलेज था कि वो मिसेस दीवा पे लाइव आई, एंड उनके लिए प्लेटफॉर्म हमेशा ही ओपन है. वो जब चाहे वो लाइव आए, एंड वील बी वेरी वेरी ग्लैड टू हैव हर अगेन. And let me just remind all of you guys कि जो registered members हैं they can go live whenever they want to on Mrs. Diva. सिर्फ एक बार टाइम एंड डेट मेरे से कंफर्म कर लिया करो guys, just to avoid clash, because we do not want two members to go live together in the group. एक साथ जाने में ऑडियंस कंफ्यूज हो जाती है कि किसका लाइव अटेंड करना है, किसका लाइव अटेंड नहीं करना है. अदरवाइज द प्लेटफॉर्म इज योर्स. जब मर्जी चाहे आप लोग लाइव जा सकते हो. So and of course निधि आपके तो मसाले धूम मचाते तो है.
And Astha, she is very fond of you. बस आपको ही आपके नाम से जानती है. अच्छा, कई बार हो जाता है who is Astha. अच्छा, जिसके ग्रुप में हम लोग लाइव गए थे वो आस्था है. मैंने कहा या.
Thank you so much. Great. So wonderful. So next वाला जो introduction है, let's take it from शिविका. शिवी फैशन हब से ले लेते हैं, शिविका अग्रवाल जी से.
Hello, Asaji. Hello, everyone. I feel so blessed to be a part of this group, and thank you so much, Asaji, for making me a part of this wonderful, wonderful family. I am basically Dr. Kirti Agarwal. I am a teacher by profession, and this is actually my family's latest venture, Shivi Fashion Hub. Actually, during lockdown, when I was really missing my shopping, I was really like कि यहाँ से बस जाएं और खरीद लें, and we were not allowed to go out and everything was locked down. Even after lockdown, we were not allowed to go out and do shopping. So I just ordered few products online, few my Aprils online. So I founded them of very good quality. Then when I found that, so I just realized कि अगर मुझे इतनी problem हुई shopping करने में, so there might be so many other ladies जिन्हें problem हो रही होगी, like there are so many things available online. I do agree with it कि there are so many shopping websites like Flipkart is there, Snapdeal is there, where you get lots of options, but still जो quality we want वो नहीं मिल पा रही थी. So I contacted few manufacturers, few brands. So I could then we started this, and actually मेरी family में मेरे husband का मेरे in-laws का, we have big showrooms here at Allahabad. कपड़ों का ही, we deal in basically menswear. So multi-brand is there. So from there I started कि अगर men's का है तो we can start women का भी. So अभी जो कि shop नहीं open कर पा रहे हैं, so why not go for online thing? So from there it clicked, and there I started. So I got complete support from my husband also in this कि you can go and we can do it actually. I don't take the credit on myself, but it's the joint effort from both of us and the efforts of my wonderful, wonderful Diva family. Every time I post anything in the group, I got support from Astha ji, from Rakhi Chan ji, from Surbhi Yadav ji, then from Shikha ji. There are so many ladies that whom I have never met, but they have supported me without even my asking from their for support. Matlab they did it themselves. So this is what the wonderful thing about this family. आपके बांगे बिना ही आपको इतना support मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, so क्या कहने हैं ऐसी family का. And I just want to show, I'm just wearing this outfit of my mother-daughter's combo ka. My daughter is not here. I wanted her also to wear along with me so that I can just this thing. So I know I'm not able to show you. Let me just stand and see. This is just a combo that I'm wearing. This is from this thing, and I have for my daughter also the same thing. So I will just say कि you guys just please order once, check the quality, because as a customer also I can feel कि जब मैंने first time order किया था तो मेरे mind में भी बहुत apprehensions थे, quality कैसी होगी, whether fake तो नहीं है, जो कि general क्योंकि आजकल बहुत चीजें online हो गई हैं, तो customers generally trust नहीं कर पाते हैं. So the thing is कि आप बस एक बार order करके देखो, आपको समझ में आए, then you continue, because to be honest मेरे पास new customers से ज़्यादा पुराने customers हैं जो बार-बार order कर रहे हैं. That is the thing, because they love the quality, they love the designs and all everything. So I just request you all to please order at least once. Thank you so much. Thank you Astha ji. Thank you all.
Thank you Dr. Kirti. Thank you so much. And okay, so अब क्या करें, अब next intro से पहले वो announcement ले लें. Give me a thumbs up.
हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे आस्था जी.
जहाँ नहीं जा रहा, please.
नहीं जा रहा, okay. ठीक है, तो okay, announcement ये है guys कि अभी जो हमने पिकनिक किया था, that was वो एकदम पिकनिक था. So अब this time I wanted to give you guys authentic startup meet wala experience, and this is again for Delhi NCR people. We will be organizing a networking meet and greet for all of you on 7th of March. 7th of March को Sunday है, from 12 to 2, 12 से 2 बजे तक. Location will be revealing later on. सेंट्रल दिल्ली में रखेंगे ताकि सबको आसानी हो. एंड 12 से 2 बजे तक एंड दिस विल बी ऑथेंटिक रस्टिक एकदम स्टार्टअप मीट, बिकॉज बहुत कई बार फीडबैक ये आता है कि जो फंक्शंस होते हैं, जो मीटिंग्स होती हैं, स्टार्टअप फील नहीं आता, ऐसा लगता है वही फंक्शन ही चल रहे हैं, वैसे ही यू नो विमेन के फंक्शन वाली फील आती है, स्टार्टअप फील्स लेनी है। सो बिल्कुल ऑथेंटिक फील लेनी हो तो रजिस्टर करना, इसके लिए नो चार्जेस, बिल्कुल यू नो जैसे जैसे मैं आपको यू नो आई कीप टेलिंग यू दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ यू नो वन ऑफ द एशियाज लार्जेस्ट स्टार्टअप यू नो कम्युनिटी। सो जो हम लोग करते हैं वही कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें रखेंगे हम, नो चार्जेस एट ऑल। we'll have BYOF, which is bring your own food. So bring in something, कुछ भी घर में बनाओ, लेके आ जाना, साथ में बैठेंगे, चिट चैट सेशन, मेरे से बिजनेस कोचिंग का ज्ञान का सेशन, मेरे से कहानियां सुननी हो, कुछ अपनी कहना, कुछ मेरी सुनना, स्टोरीज शेयर करेंगे, चैलेंजेस शेयर करेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ, कहानियां सुनेंगे, सुनाएंगे और बैठ के गप्पे मारेंगे। So I am personally very excited for this session because these are my kinds of sessions. ये जो you know ऐसे networking meets जो होते हैं, I love them. So gradually, धीरे धीरे, so why we did not start off with this, because मेरे को I was personally feeling कि कहीं ऐसा झटका सा ना लग जाए कि you know कैसा एकदम रस्टिक सा फील और एकदम स्टार्टअप वाला फील से स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसलिए सबसे पहले हमने पिकनिक करी कि एक बार जान लो सब एक दूसरे को। तो पिकनिक
आस्था, हम लोगों के लिए भी कुछ करो।
यस, सो श्रेया जूम पार्टी रख लेते हैं, जो दिल्ली से बाहर वाले हैं।
इंदौर
आप
आ
लोग
जाओ,
सब-
मैं सब
आप
अरेंज
लोग
करती हूँ।
नहीं, आप लोग सब हिम्मत करो ना दिल्ली आने की। और फिर अगर आपको सबको
Actually-
ज्वाइन करना है तो आप लोग सब यहाँ पे आओ।
सब दिल्ली आ जाओ, एंड व्हाट वील डू इज, जो दिल्ली से बाहर के हैं सब दिल्ली आ जाओ, जितने दिल्ली वाले हैं सबके घर में एक एडजस्ट हो जाओ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
How about that?
Exactly.
All are
Good
welcome
idea.
to my place.
है ना?
All are welcome.
किचन तुम्हारा booked है।
मेरा एड्रेस पहुंच गया श्रेया आपके पास ऑलरेडी।
Everybody would want to stay with Pooja
आज ही
Juneja,
मिला
मैं
मुझे।
बता रही हूँ। बोलेंगे पूजा के घर में।
I'm
मैं
looking
अपनी
forward to treat all of you. I'm looking forward. That
मैं
will
अपनी
be a
मम्मा
pleasure
के
stay.
घर नहीं रुकूंगी, मैं अपनी मम्मा के घर नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं पूजा के घर जाने वाली
I'm
हूँ।
saying
That is
Any
that-
day,
my-
any day. Most welcome. Most
तो बस
welcome.
ऑप्शन
Any
बहुत
day.
सारे हो गए।
Any day. All are most welcome. Sure.
मैं अपना
Any day.
स्टे इंक्रीज कर लूंगी सबके आए एक दिन।
So that's what I'm saying. If anybody wants to join in, guys, so you will have to. I'm going to release a creative also for this. So official announcement मैं करूँगी after the live session. So you will have to register. Of course, registration जरूरी है. There will be no charges at all. Charges नहीं हम लोग कुछ रखेंगे. It will simply be bring your own food. So अपना आप you'll just have to bring food for yourself, and I'm going to send all the details. एंड वेन्यू जो है वो भी हम टुवर्ड्स द डेट ही 7 मार्च के आसपास ही रिलीज करेंगे। एंड दिस विल ऑफ कोर्स बी स्टार्टअप मीट टाइप ही हम इसको रखेंगे। सो आई विल गिव यू द ऑथेंटिक स्टार्टअप एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस मीट, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू मीट ऑल द पीपल फ्रॉम दिल्ली एनसीआर। जो भी इसमें आना चाहता है, एवरीबडी विल बी मोस्ट वेलकम। 12 से 2 बजे तक मैं उस वेन्यू पे रहूंगी, एंड यू कैन कम डाउन, मीट ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के साथ। इट विल बी सेंट्रल दिल्ली, सो कहीं से भी आप आ रहे हो आसान रहेगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन। नेक्स्ट जो इंट्रोडक्शन है सुरभि से ले लेते हैं, सुरभि यादव फ्रॉम गायत्री फैशंस।
Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Survi Yadav. Firstly, I would like to thank Astha and each and every member for immense support and love from all of you. It's been, I think, 8 to 9 months I'm being in the group, and I don't feel like that it's been just a short duration of time. I really adore the kind of affection I have received here. I think ye dil mange more. It is like that. And I was working with the fashion industry for, I think, around 13 years, and after working and having a family, I felt that I really have a passion to work with the fabrics. So I started with this Gayatri Fashions, and we deal in exclusively apparel for the women's, and gradually started with the menswear and kids wear as well now. With all the blessings and the grace of God, now we are also into home furnishings and home decors.
and we have also dealing in many kinds of jewelries and gift items. I think I have actually increased my work areas the moment I have stepped into Mrs. Diva's group. So that it's a blessing for me, touch wood. And I really want to thank Asa from the bottom of my heart for giving so much love and affection always. So please do have a look at our page, and we would love to see you on our page and drop in some hi, hello. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Surbhi. Thank you so much. Wonderful. And how about we take the next next introduction from Pooja Jadhav, Womania. Pooja, you're on mute.
Yes. Hello, guys. I'm Pooja. I'm the founder of my venture, Womania. Womania deals into all types of saris, then dress material, then kurtis and ready-made suits. We also deals in bags, jewelries. So, and now we have started dealing in home furnishing items also. So, USP of Womania, I can say the prices are very reasonable, because most of the saris and most of the jewelry items which I show on Womania page are directly from manufacturers. So that's why the prices are very reasonable. And I think I'll just welcome you all and just tell you, please just go and see my collection on Womania page. And thanks a lot for the support and everything I'm getting from this group. So I think it was very, reselling is like was not a kind of business or something for me. But when I joined this group, then I realized like I can do much better from this. So I thank you all, and thank Asta ma'am also for supporting me and believing in me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pooja. How about we take the next introduction from Pooja Juneja.
Hi everyone, this is more than enough कि आस्था ने इतनी बड़ी बात कह दी कि जो आएगा पूजा के घर रहना चाहेगा. I don't think that anything else is left out to introduce myself, but still for the new members I would just love to share something. I'm an eggless home baker based at Gurgaon, basically from Wallabies Cakes. We do deliver Delhi NCR as well by courier services at the nominal rates of what actual the company is charging. And the speciality of my cakes is like many of the members of this group have already taken the services. They know the quality and the taste of my cakes. And I'm so blessed to be the part of Mrs. Diva, especially because, you know, each and everyone has shared the same thing. But you don't think like any woman is not supporting any women. Each and every woman is supporting over here. And I would like to take a minute to say special thanks to Malti Vaswani also, because I cross my fingers before I share my experience with her. Matlab, she has just sent across the gifts which are really working for me. I'll just share the actual thing in 15 or 20 days when the work will be over. I will say the mission which I have started. Once I'll complete, I'll just share her blessings for me, which worked really well. Thank you, Malti. And we can't thank enough to Astha. Obviously, but I should say कि पेड़ लगाया हुआ ही उनका है जिनके हम सब फल खा रहे हैं. So thank you, Astha. Thank you so much for being there and always being there in such a supportive manner. And each and everyone, मतलब अगर मैं सबका नाम लेके thanks करना शुरू करूंगी तो I think सिर्फ मैं ही बोल पाऊंगी. Rest will be waiting for me. So I just take your leave of, and I just take this thing. I just over with this thing only. Thanks to you all. Thank you so much for being always support. Thank you so much, and all are welcome at my place whenever you visit Delhi. So whosoever from wherever you are coming, you're most welcome to my place. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much, Pooja. And next, how about we take it from Dr.
Hi. Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, Dr.
Yeah.
Doctor, are we taking it from Dr. Gayatri?
Sorry, I didn't hear. So I just
okay. Let's take it from Dr. Gayatri.
Okay. Yeah, okay then. Yeah. Hello all. I'm Dr. Gayatri. And first of all, a big hi to everyone over here. And thank you, Asta ma'am, for creating this wonderful platform. I think this is one of the biggest platforms where women support other women. And it's like a very good thing where we all are in the same cause and we support each other also. So like I'm the founder of Flourishing Kids. I'm an educational therapist. I work with kids having learning difficulties. I know everyone over here, like I feel like I know all of you over here because it's like we almost see everyone in the daily posts and community activities. So I started Flourishing Kids like 2 years back. I especially started with this main thing is that my passion is towards kids and especially my learning and the passion for kids started made me start this Flourishing Kids. I mainly take on one-on-one classes for the struggling learners. I take special classes for them. And also I conduct several awareness workshops for parents and teachers. Now I'm planning to further start more workshops for parents, especially on learning and how to learn, like how to make interesting and how to make kids learn more and make it also an interesting and fun activity for kids. And that is how I'm trying to expand further on Flourishing Kids. And thank you for giving this opportunity. And I'm also like having one-on-one coaching from Asta ma'am, like I'm having from past 4 to 5 months, and it's really a great pleasure. And it's like every time I attend the session with her, I feel like a special boost coming to me. So I just want to do more and interact more and make things more at Flourishing Kids. So thank you all. Please do visit my page and have a look at it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gayatri. And how we take Dr. Shatabdi Pal next.
Hello. Good evening, all. First of all, happy Valentine's Day in advance to all. So, myself, Dr. Shatabdi Pal, I'm basically a homeopathic doctor and a child psychologist, clinical nutritionist, and a spiritual counselor. So I have also expertise in spiritual Garb Sanskar, delayed speech therapy, and lots of any other programs also, parent-child counseling, only parenting coachings like this. You can get in my page, or you can contact me for this kind of things. And my if you have any problem like arthritis, PCOD, anemia, thyroid, like this, so you can also contact me. And one thing, इस पेज में मैंने इसके पहले भी बोला था कि our Sunday free Sunday counseling is already running. So if you guys want to take the opportunity that free counseling session, so you can book your appointment. Number are given in so many posters. तो आप लोग लीजिए. And lastly, बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इसके पहले भी मैंने आस्था को मैसेज किया था कि मैं ये ग्रुप में सिर्फ शायद 3 महीने हुए हैं ज्वाइन हूँ. एंड समथिंग इज चेंजिंग, कुछ तो भी पॉजिटिव चेंज हो रहा है. अभी वो एग्जैक्टली मैं एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, लेकिन बहुत सारी पॉजिटिव चेंजेस हो रही है. मैं बहुत सारी कुछ चीज सीख पा रही हूँ इस ग्रुप में, और मैं दूसरे ग्रुप्स में भी हूँ. बट ये ग्रुप में जो एनर्जी आस्था की है, जो वो हमारी एडमिन है, जो एनर्जी आस्था की है, सेल्फलेसनेस है उसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा, और बहुत ज्यादा पॉजिटिविटी है. मैं उस चीज से एक एक चीज से सीख रही हूँ, और मैं बहुत ईगर हूँ कि मैं कब वो मेरा दिन आएगा. मैंने उनसे पूछा भी है कि आपका कंसल्टेंसी क्या है, किस टाइम पे, बट मेरा टाइम, मैं नहीं कुछ एक टाइम दे दूं और उसमें मैं ही प्रेजेंट ना हो पाऊं. मैं बस अपने लिए वेट कर रही हूँ कि मैं जस्ट फ्री हो और मैं पर्सनली आस्था से बात करूं. मैं लिटरली वो टाइम चाहती हूँ जल्द से जल्द आ जाए. थैंक यू आस्था ये ग्रुप बनाने के लिए और हमें अपने ग्रुप में लेने के लिए.
Thank you, Dr. Shatabdi. It is actually cumulative energy. हम सबकी, everybody who is there with me on the screen and who is with me right now, who is commenting, everybody, सबकी cumulative energy है ये. So,
Yes.
and thank you so much for sharing about yourself. How about we take Mubina next?
Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. It's now evening. As everyone know, my ventures, the Zahabi Creations, imagine what beads can create. So as the name goes, I can create anything and everything from beads. So the idea of Zahabi Creations was conceived when I was in Dubai 5 years back. I was having a tough time. Basically, I'm an interior designer, but when I went to Dubai, I didn't get chance to show my talent, and I was very disheartened. So I just thought, why not I would convert my childhood passion, my hobby, into my profession. So when the day when I got the news that I'm pregnant, I got a very big order, and so came the name Zahabi Creations. Zahabi in English means, in Arabic, it means golden. So yes, it was a golden moment of my life, and the journey started from there. Then I started getting orders, but it was like a very difficult journey for me. You can say I had gone through many health issues and mental trauma, and doctors over there were not able to help me. But yeah, I had support of my family, though they were in India. But then again, I had many complications. So it was going on in my life. It had become a cycle. I was not able to get out of it. Then eventually, when I came down to India today, it's like a very happy moment for me, because today itself I have completed 6 months of returning to India, and it was with Mrs. Diva. It was just a fun. I was a member of the group, but I was a silent member. I was going through that phase. I was not able to connect with people. The people over here are so sweet. Astha ma'am keeps motivating. My newly made friends, Pooja, Smriti ma'am, Priyanka ma'am. I have started writing again. And Sarika ma'am has taken me to that level that I have never achieved in my life. I have faced many hardships in my life, but I never gave up. But yeah, I was put down for some time, but again, I am here in front of you. And all the credit goes to Mrs. Diva Group. I have never been so vocal in any of the group, and I'm not so social also. I keep my thoughts to myself. But now you can see my presence in Mrs. Diva Group, and all the credit really goes to, first of all, to Astha ma'am, because whenever I have connected to her, she never ever imposed I'm a new member or I am asking the same questions again and again. She would always so sweetly explain it to me. The members over here, my friends, they are like, I have lost connection with them, but these people, Vinisha, Surbhi, Pooja, Sarika ma'am, they just keep the contact, like it's like a steadfast bond, you can say. So I'm happy and I'm healthy, and yeah, I'm getting wealthy also because of Mrs. Diva Group now. So this is all about me, and I'm really very grateful to God and to all of you that you are my support and my family and my sister. She is the one person behind this that I'm still standing and my business is running. So I really want to thank her also. So this goes to every one of you. Just be with me always. Your words, your comments, your likes mean so much to me. Thank you so much, Astha ma'am. All of you lovely ladies have a very good evening, and good luck to all of you. So it was so nice to meet you after all. It is my first live and I'm really very excited. Thank you so much, Astha ma'am.
Most welcome, रॉकस्टार. आप तो एकदम पता ही नहीं चल रहा, फर्स्ट लाइव है मुबीना. एंड अब क्योंकि ये बिगिनिंग हो गई है फर्स्ट लाइव की, तो एक बार जिसको हम स्क्रीन पे ले आते हैं फिर हम छोड़ते नहीं है उसको, फिर हम बार बार लेके आते रहते हैं. प्लस ये फेविकोल का मजबूत जोड़ है, अब ये टूटेगा नहीं, तो जाने तो हम देने वाले हैं नहीं आपको. वो बीट्स, जैसे आप वो बीट्स जोड़ देते हो ना, वैसे अब हम सब जुड़ चुके हैं आपके साथ, अलग होंगे नहीं हम आपसे.
समुंदर के सारे मोती आपने कलेक्ट कर लिए है वैसे भी देखा जाए तो।
एंड ब्यूटीफुल वर्क यू डू। और बहुत ही लेटेस्ट वाला हमने विनीशा का ही इनफैक्ट हमने वो देखा था लेटेस्ट वाला, राइट है ना गाइस? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, विनीशा का ही मैंने पढ़ा था
सरप्राइज
लेटेस्ट
है जो मेरी तरफ से मैंने स्मृति ओल्गा खत्री के बेटी के लिए बनाया है। The miniature guitar and the bench and the plants. This is all my upcycling work. This jar is from Dubai. It's a honey bottle basically. So everything is created by me.
वंडरफुल, ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल। और अब जो ये इन ख्यालों को जो आवाज मिल गई है ना, इनको दबने नहीं देना। दोबारा ये नहीं कहना कि अपने ख्याल अपनी सोच में अपने तक रखती हूँ, इनको जो आवाज मिली है अब वो आगे बुलंद ही होगी, नीचे नहीं आएगी। ठीक है? प्रॉमिस?
Definitely, I have promised to Sarika ma'am, and she is like, you can say, my mentor, my friend, my psychological therapist. She's everything for me right now. And Astha ma'am, really, you are something. I haven't met you, but I really wish to meet you. And all of you, I really wanted to come for this meet in Delhi. Let's see how it goes. I'll definitely try to come.
Sure. So guys, that was Mubina from Zahabi Creations. Thank you so much, Mubina. How about we move to Zeba now? Zeba Asaf.
Hello everybody. Nice listening to all the lovely ladies, so inspiring. Okay, so my name is Zeba. So I am a lady who has a lot of passions. Okay, so I started with technology, then skincare, and now I call myself a healthpreneur. Okay, so now I am into nutrition. I am a certified nutritionist, and I specialize in integrative female hormone health. So basically, I work with ladies who are suffering from hormonal balance in the form of like PCOD or PCOS. And general, like even if anyone has some concern about general nutrition, they have some energy gaps in their body, or they are looking to lose weight or even gain weight, I guide them also. So I'll tell a little bit about myself. Like born and brought up in a very small town, okay, from a very conservative family. So I am the first postgraduate who is working in in IT, because otherwise for the ladies in our family restricted to teachers, lecturers, professors, okay, and the only subject that was allowed was biology, zoology, botany, home science. So I broke that. I thought I am not going to read anything. I want to become an engineer, and I want to become a software engineer. So that was my dream, which I saw in class 7, and I fulfilled it. Okay, I have to face a lot of resistance, but because of my father and my brother, okay, they had a vision and they supported me. So ever thankful. All the gents in my life, my father, my brother, their husband, my father-in-law, all super. So but due to my mom's health, 5 years back, she was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, and now like she is bedridden. She's almost in the last stage of her life, and she is like just breathing. She doesn't have any sense and all. And from last 4 years, I have been taking care of her. So when I saw her condition, I started learning about, health, nutrition and all. The more I learned, the more I found myself in a better way to take care of her. And slowly and gradually from last 2 years, I started this applying in my closed circuits, this nutrition, whatever I learned, okay. And from like last year, I have professionally like started with my nutrition consultancy, and it is called Smart NutriBite. Because digital world, so everything should be smart. So whatever you are eating, okay, eat smart. Every bite you take, it should be smart, okay. And I also feel that there is no disease, right, which you cannot at least control with right food, right lifestyle. So this is my thing. I think that health is the real style statement which you can carry forever, and healthy is beautiful. So thank you, Astha, for creating this wonderful group. I was also a silent member, but slowly and gradually I've got a lot of friends. Okay, I am also like opening up, And I wish you all the best for your venture.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Zeba. And okay, so we'll quickly move ahead. And how about we move to Sakshi now? Sakshi M. Chok from Inner Hues and Moonchild.
Hi, thank you, Astha. And hi, everyone. So I am Sakshi M. Chok and the founder of Inner Hues and Moonchild. मैं लिख के लाई हूँ आज for a change क्योंकि मुझे पता मैं भूलते जाऊंगी चीजें.
She zones out. ये zone out कर जाती है.
She is the most cutest member of our group, you know.
Thank you. So I am a Mahavastu expert and a star numerologist. I generally try and help people realize their fullest potential with the help of these modalities. I also specialize into Vastu. I started my career with Vastu and numerology in 2016, and since then I've been supporting people a lot. Not only families, I have been working for entrepreneurs as well as professionals, as well as factory owners, their industry owners. I've been helping them in solving their day-to-day life issues that could vary from anything, like even the employee का related problem है या funds related problem है या payment stuck हो रही है, anything and everything with the help of Vastu and numerology. So I specialize in Vastu without demolition, that is with the colors and simple object movement. I help people. Also, मेरी numerological remedies जिन्होंने करवा रखी हैं, they are very easy to use, and I majorly use crystals. So that is how I started with the Moonchild, because Moonchild is ultimately a zone in which you can get more information about not only crystals, but how you can procure them. Also in that, I've started with healing candles, and soon I'll be coming up with healing bath salts. So yes, this was about me, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. That was Sakshi M. Chok. And how about we move to Monaz Farooq Irani.
Hi everyone. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Monaz Irani from Pune. I founder.
Hi, founder. It's
sorry. Asta, 1 minute.
Okay, so that's okay. We'll let Monaz figure this thing out. I think that was Monaz's son. Masti mein aa gaye the wo. Okay, no problem. So I was saving the cutest one for the last, but Shreya le lete hain hum pehle. Shreya from Shreya's Handicraft Tales. And
Thank you.
Of course, हम भूले नहीं हैं, ये birthday month है SHT का. So congratulations,
Thank
SHT,
you.
for that. And of course, हमारा favorite SHT. So how about we take introduction from Shreya?
Thank you, Asta. Thank you so much. मेरी लिस्ट बहुत लंबी हो गई है सब लोगों सुनते so सबसे पहले थैंक मिस दीवा क्रिएट करनी जो मेरा वर्चुअल होम है, एंड आई रियली मिस जब मैं वहां नहीं होती हूँ. मतलब मैं इतना मिस कर रही हूँ, मैंने कब से मतलब कुछ विशेष नहीं की है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जो मेरा बेस्ट पार्ट है इस दीवा में करना. बट स्टिल आई एम बैक. थैंक यू. ये मेरा SHT का बिजनेस मंथ है. ये फर्स्ट टाइम सेलिब्रेशन मैं कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज अभी तक मैं शायद वो लेवल पे नहीं पहुंची जहाँ मैं सेलिब्रेट करूँ. बट दिस ईयर मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, बहुत कुछ जाना है, और दीवा मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है. वहां से मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट और बहुत इंकरेजमेंट मिला है, स्पेशली आफ्टर योर कोचिंग. चीजें बहुत फिगर आउट हो गई हैं जो मिसिंग था. तो थैंक यू फॉर दैट. बेसिकली शायद हैंडीक्राफ्ट टेल्स हैंडीक्राफ्ट में डील करता है, और ये एक्चुअली कैसा है कि मेरा since childhood I was into handicrafts. I keep learning as my grandmother and my buas, they are into handicrafts. They keep on creating. So it's in my blood, which I figured out quite late. So I started in 2017, and we try to promote handicraft, and we try to explain the reason why you should prefer a handicraft, how it's created, what goes with creating a single piece of the product. So yeah, that's what we do, and we want everyone to appreciate
handicraft and promote handicraft. Not much, but at least smaller, in a smaller way they can do. And that's all we do. And yeah, we are soon going to start our celebration with Mrs. Diva. And I'm so excited. So please visit my page and please pour your love and stay connected. And for Mubina, I just recently got to know she's from Indore. So I'm always there for her. She can connect me or I'll connect her whenever she wants to. And yeah, we can bring all of you here also. Soon we both will gang up and we'll invite you all to Indore and we'll have a great time. So thank you. Thank you for having me.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Shreya, for sharing the introduction, guys. That was Shreya Abhinav Sharma from Shreya's Handicraft Tales. And Mubina, are you ready? Sorry, Monaz. Monaz, are you ready? Play sakte hain?
Yes. Hello, and sorry, guys.
That's okay. Completely fine. No worries at all. घर में बच्चे हैं तो ये तो होगा ही.
Yes, too musty. Hi everyone, I am Monaz from Pune. I am founder of Monaz One Stop Shop. We deal in purse, household utilities, and bedsheet, many more product with quality product. And thank you, Asta, for giving this opportunity to wonderful group. All of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Monaz. Thank you very much. So, guys, this was the batch 1 of our registered members, and I'm very, very thankful to each one of you, including the viewers who stayed with us for so long. And thank you so much for your constant support towards Mrs. Diva. And for everything, for everything, आप हैं तो हम हैं. मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ towards the end कि आप हैं तो हम हैं, आप ही की वजह से हम हैं. And thank you very much to all the viewers, and thanks to all my members, also registered members, non-registered members, everybody. Guys, we are also running an offer in the group. I've uploaded the creative day, I think day before yesterday, that we have an offer for non-registered members, those who want to advertise in the group. You guys can connect with me over WhatsApp. My number is always there in the group. And with this, I would like to end this session. Thank you so much, guys. Anyone who has any queries, any questions, you guys can come up to me, speak to me. Any ideas how we can make this place a better place for all of you. If you guys have any suggestions for any improvements, please feel free to connect with me directly. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you so much, Asta. It was a wonderful session. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.